$32 billion. This is the global market for subscription bundles that is growing at a rate of 18.4% every year. And today, we're talking about how you can leverage this explosive growth for your Shopify store. Hi Shopify store owners, Tushar here from Skylama. And today, we're talking about subscription bundles. So what are subscription bundles? Simply put, subscription bundles provide customers with a recurring delivery of products, creating a consistent and engaging brand experience. From food and beverage to personal care products, these bundles cater to a wide range of consumer interests and needs. This model not only capitalizes on the increasing consumer preference for convenience and personalization, but also tap into the growing market demand for curated experiences. Now that you have understood what subscription bundles are, let's talk about the benefits they offer. First, better customer lifetime value. Subscription bundles cultivate a continuous relationship by providing convenience and removing the need for customers to make a repeat decision each month. This steady engagement significantly boosts customer lifetime value and loyalty as customers value the mix of convenience and personalized experiences tailored to their preference. For example, Paw and Play subscription model increases customer lifetime value by offering monthly deliveries of pet products, simplifying pet care with curated convenience. This ease of service promotes sustained subscriber loyalty, increasing long-term revenue for the store. Second, operational efficiency and predictable revenue. Subscription bundles create a win-win scenario where customers enjoy their favorite product at a discounted rate, and merchants benefit from smoother operations thanks to improved inventory prediction and management. This model also secures a predictable revenue stream, with companies like Dollar Shave Club experiencing steady growth thanks to their subscription model, which ensures ongoing customer engagement and revenue. Third, product feedback and innovation. By including sample-size versions of new products in your bundles, like how Sephora does with its beauty box, allows for direct customer feedback. This strategy not only makes each delivery exciting, but also serves as a powerful tool for product development, driving further customer engagement and satisfaction through innovation. As you can see, the biggest Shopify brands make subscription bundles a part of their sales strategy. And you can also set up a subscription bundle right away with easy bundles. Just install the app on your Shopify store and start building. And if you need any help, then our team will assist you in building the right bundle for your store. Also, here are some strategies you can consider while building a subscription bundle. First, leverage expert curation. Expert curation involves selecting products with a knowledgeable eye to offer your customer something truly special. This approach positions your brand as a trusted authority, guiding customers through a curated selection that matches their tastes and preferences. For example, consider Winehouse Premium subscription, which sources exquisite wines from top-tier vineyards globally. For your customer, this means savoring a glass of wine that not only tastes exceptional, but also carries the prestige and story of its origin. This level of curation simplifies the buying process and solidifies your brand image as an expert in the industry you're selling in. Second, offer consumers a choice. Providing customers the ability to personalize their subscription enhances their satisfaction and engagement. This strategy acknowledges that while expert curation is valuable, individual preferences play a crucial role in the subscription experience. The best example of this is Sopa Life's mix and match subscription for laundry liquid. Customers have the option to customize their subscription by choosing their preferred laundry liquids from a diverse selection. The personalization allows subscribers to explore different formulations tailored to their specific needs and preferences. This also helps in keeping the subscription fresh, so the customers don't get bored and is always excited about the next delivery. Third, align with customers' lifestyle. Aligning your subscription service with your customers' lifestyle goals and values can deeply resonate with them, increasing customer retention. The Luna Fit Fresh subscription shows this by offering fresh and healthy meal plans tailored to support fitness and wellness goals. It simplifies maintaining a healthy lifestyle while showing customers that your brand supports your goals and values. Adding subscription bundles to your Shopify store can be a game changer. On average, businesses see a 40% increase in customer lifetime value within the first 6 months of integrating subscription services. This model not only derives recurring revenue, but also builds a loyal customer base, turning casual shoppers into long-term advocates. If you're ready to tap into this explosive growth of subscription bundles, drop a comment below and we will get your store set up for success. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive insights to optimize your e-commerce strategy.